In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an advisor on Xero. Before we start, make sure you're logged into the correct Xero organization and that you have permission to manage users. Typically, the subscriber or an admin with user management rights can invite new people. If you don't see the options I'm about to mention, check with the person who manages your account access. Begin on your Xero dashboard. At the top of the page, click your profile or organization name to open the main menu. This is where you'll find the options that control your organization and account settings. From that menu, choose Settings. Settings is your central hub for managing who can see and do what in your Xero file, so it's the right place to update access. Inside Settings, select Users. The Users area shows everyone who currently has access, along with their roles and status. It's useful to glance here first to confirm whether your advisor is already listed or if there's a pending invitation. If they're not there yet, look for the option to invite a user and click it. On the invitation screen, enter the person's first name, last name, and their email address. Use an email they actively check, ideally their work address. This is important because Xero sends a secure invite link to that email, and they'll need it to accept access. Double check for typos. One wrong character means they won't receive the invitation. Next, scroll to the Access section and open Business and Accounting. This area controls what the person can do within your books. From here, select Advisor. The advisor role is designed for accountants and bookkeepers. It gives them the tools they need to help you manage reconciliations, journals, reports, and your chart of accounts without you having to grant broader access than necessary. If you're working with a professional who needs full accounting visibility, this is almost always the correct choice. Once the details look right and the advisor access is selected, click Send Invite. Xero will immediately email the invitation. Your new advisor will accept it from their inbox, and if needed, set up their Xero login. Back in the users list, you'll see their status as pending until they accept. From there, you can resend or revoke the invite if necessary, and later adjust or remove access at any time. That's it. You've added an advisor, and they'll be able to jump in and help you keep your books accurate and up to date. If you run multiple organizations, repeat the same process in each one where you want them to have access.